Good morning, dear students. Today we have done some revision work. So in that regard, I want to brief all of you that 4th of July you are going to have accountancy unit test, and for that purpose, for that unit test, 4 chapters are there. First one, statement, financial statement of non-for-profit organization, then accounting for partnership fundamental, then change in profit sharing ratio among the existing partner, and then admission of a partner. So this will be a multiple choice question and answers paper, and the time limit will be 1 hour. So here you listen few important things to revise the things. In the first chapter you will have to learn receipt and payment account, income and expenditure account, and how to prepare the balance sheet. You know, receipt and payment account is a summary of cash book. Income and expenditure account is prepared with the help of income and expenditure account is made similarly to profit and loss account, and that is prepared with the help of receipt and payment account, and then the balance sheet. Usually receipt and payment account is given to you. You have to prepare income and expenditure account, finding out only the revenue incomes and revenue expenses for the current year, and make income and expenditure account. Similar way, capital expenses and capital incomes are recorded in the balance sheet. In the second chapter we have learned how to prepare profit and loss account, profit and loss appropriation account, and capital accounts. Sometimes capitals are fixed, so with the fixed capital account, current accounts are maintained. In the third chapter, we have learned that when existing partners are changing their profit sharing ratio, what happens? We have to calculate gaining ratio and sacrificing ratio. We have to divide undivided profits and losses. We have to revalue the assets and liabilities. We have to learn how to calculate the goodwill and how to treat the goodwill in case of when partners are changing their ratio. So that is in the third chapter. Now last chapter is that admission of a partner. We have just concluded that in case of admission of a partner, the various things change. So in that change, what happens? We have to calculate the sacrificing ratio and new ratio. We have to divide undivided profits and losses. We have to revalue the assets and liabilities. We have to calculate the goodwill of a incoming partner and treat the goodwill. These are the things in our syllabus for that unit test. So there will be multiple options. You have to take the correct answer. If you have any difficulty in these 4 chapters, you may ask me on WhatsApp during these days.